Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily modify your Nissan Skyline sedan taillights into a full LED setup with sequential blinker and amazing Nismo brake lights. In the same time, we will move fog light from backup light bay into small inner circle and will set up double backup light bars. Let's start from opening your taillights. Blinker part is first. Carefully hit your blinker on both sides, and once it will be hot enough, try to extract it little by little along all its perimeter. Don't try to push it too hard. Covers is very fragile and you can easily scratch or crack it if you will do everything without patience. If you feel that applied force increasing, hit your joint slot again. Your primary goal is to hit sealant rubber between cover and core, so try to hit them both on both sides at least for 4-5 minutes. Once you will extract blinker cover glass, repeat the same procedure for main signal thread cover. Remove all redundant parts from the tail light. Once covers will be extracted, hit joint slot again and clean it from remaining sealant with flat screwdriver or special tool. Take circle parts of retrofit kit, make adapter ring from thin plastic stripe and glue bores to the ring and ring to the white plastic area on the red cover. Do same with blinker part. Place it inside blinker cover glass, glue it with hot glue and wait for a few moments to keep bended part in place. After that, finish remain board perimeter. Now bores installed and you need to apply new butyl tape to the cover slots and reseal back your lights. Heat slots with new butyl sealant and carefully push glass covers in place. Now everything is done. You can connect harness and enjoy your new amazing lights. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching.